No, I'm not.
moving crack for Tijuana?
What's your name, bud?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Do you want to grab yourself and we're gonna head out?
You want to suck my?
I want to rather
Listen.
kill.
Oh, not.
Okay.
Really?
Get on your.
Touch me first, you dumb.
Yeah, you are resisting. Do you want to get tased?
Yeah,
Is that what
tase
you
my
want?
Level
cock,
6. So you get
bro.
one more unit.
Might jizz in your face and make you gay. I might kill you
Here,
down the
stand 'em
street.
up.
Who knows, bro?
On September 4th, 2025, Arlington Heights Police was called to the local library due to a local 26-year-old man drinking in the library and acting inappropriately in public. When two nearby police officers arrived at the scene, the suspect, who was visibly intoxicated, began insulting and threatening the police officers.
How's it going, man?
Are you my great grandmother?
No, I'm not.
Moving crack for Tijuana?
What's your name, bud?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Do you want to grab yourself and we're gonna head out?
You want to suck my and head out?
Okay. I'm not playing games with you, man.
I'm not playing games.
They want you out of here. So,
Why?
because you're drinking here.
Drinking.
Yep. And you were
Right there
you
on
were
the spot.
Okay.
Who are you? Aegis Soldier? I hope he gets shot. Who are you? I'm Mel John. I hope he gets shot.
Don't,
you want to know why?
disturb the other
Because I
patrons,
smoked
please.
I smoked with a black who is a cop, right? And he wouldn't kick me out of a f***ing library.
Hey, man. Do you know what day it is today?
Hey, you want to see how long my is in the bathroom, bro? By yourself, bro.
What's
Just
your-
you, a soldier, bro.
What's your deal, man? What's going on?
That's my deal.
Having a bad day?
I don't know, maybe because they vote Democrat. More. They want more, bro.
Okay. Do you want to grab your things?
Yeah. If I had an AR-15,
Do not get close to
I
me.
would have
Do not get
smoked
close
you
to
in
me.
the f***ing
Do not get
chest.
close to me.
You know what?
I'm not playing.
You know what a
Grab your
check is?
shit and we're gonna head out.
Really?
Yes.
You want to jerk my off?
Grab your stuff.
You want to make me nut while I
Grab
get
your
off?
stuff. I'm not playing with you. Grab
Really?
your stuff.
Now you're bothering the other patrons. Please don't
Really?
do that. Yeah.
Because when you were
Because
here,
your conduct is highly inappropriate.
when you were here,
Stop.
when you were here, maybe she could have made $1 million off my nut.
Stop. We're not gonna poke at the police's face.
Hey,
We're not
look.
gonna put
155 minutes. You could have stopped somebody killing somebody. Am I killing somebody?
Well, you're disturbing that. So
Really? I'm disturbing?
you don't think you're disturbing right now?
I'm disturbing right now or before?
right
Before
now,
I was
everyone in
disturbing.
here. You're disturbing.
Before I was disturbing?
We're not playing games,
Because I
man.
would have smoked you first before I was disturbing.
You're wasting our
And
time.
then him. Because you want to know why? You look too red to be white, bro. If I would have put you down in the middle of the street like you were white, bro,
Let's go.
they wouldn't have known I
Let's
would have
go.
smoked you with my
Let's
AR-15.
go.
All you have to do is walk outside.
Let's go.
Outside?
You can talk shit to us
Right
outside
now?
if you want to.
Yeah.
Right now, I could have killed you right now, outside
You're
if I
being highly
wanted to.
inappropriate to all the nice people.
And then
that
I
are
would have
using the
sold your
facility.
bodies to that North Chicago cop that wouldn't give a about your body and microwave what's it called? Microwave sealed
All right,
bodies.
come on, bud.
Nobody would have smelled you from afar, bro.
Stop.
Here. You wanna click that?
Stop.
Here, click that, bro.
We're being very kind to you.
Remember this. This was free
Good.
in Chicago, bro. You could have drove to Chicago and got your soft little cock sucking by a
Let's go. Come on.
fat
We're not.
black
We're
pot.
not playing games, dude. Let's go.
Here. No. This was found outside of this library.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, bro. The free library. You want a free library, bro? It's right there, bro. The cop didn't even stop you, bro. You want to touch my jopa? When you kick me outside, jopa police?
Go.
Go right now? Really fast or really slow?
I prefer you go faster.
Faster?
Let's go. Guys, all this mind.
Yeah. Here, you might want to suck. You want to see my pube shire? In front of that little kid.
Stop.
You know I'm disabled, bro.
Stop.
I'm
Stop. We're
disabled,
not gonna abuse the library.
My
facility.
non-epileptic seizure got disabled in
Stop.
fast,
You want
bro.
an ambulance?
Are you gonna jerk my cock off when I had a
an
non-epileptic
ambulance? We can do that
seizure?
for you.
Your high taxes was gonna jerk my cock off and make me come on the spot, bro?
Do you need an ambulance? Do you know what day it is today?
Yeah.
What's today?
It's a Tuesday, bro. No, I'm just kidding. It's a Thursday. But I don't want to lie to you people. Like, it's a beautiful Thursday.
Okay, do you need an ambulance?
Nah, I don't need to waste their time. They have more perfect, better time than you two.
So do we. I mean,
Hail soldier.
we're trying to.
Hey, Miljon.
what's
Stopping
your name?
crime that killed somebody's family member.
Well, you're disturbing that. So.
Really?
Yep. If we
Right now in the spot.
if we get done with
Like,
you,
if I
we can
took
go
that
out there and
shit
just do other things.
Without you knowing, bro. On the spot, bro.
Hey, you just said you wanted to go. The door is that
Hey,
way. Let's go.
when before I go, look up Ruben, R-U-B-N, Slick, S-L-I-K-K, 2 Ks, just 2 Ks, not 3 Ks.
What was your name again?
Suck my Remember that guy?
Okay, well, it's time to go.
Right now? On the spot.
Like we
Like
said,
it wouldn't
don't
kill
approach
cops,
us.
bro.
Don't
On a
approach
spot.
us. No.
Would you
You're-
kill cops on
you're
a
go-
spot?
you're going the wrong way.
Because look at them. They want me to kill cops on the spot, bro. They want me to stop. You want to kill
approach
cops
me
on the
either.
spot? No. That's why he ain't speaking, bro. Hey, must have been that Chicago library, Harold Washington,
You can go there.
that wanted me to smoke one rock to not get caught by 2 dumb cops. Was this illegal or illegal, bro? What if I took out my cock, bro? Started planning, bro.
Can you please leave the library property, please?
Right now or like later, bro? We're in yesterday. Maybe they would have like legalized this yesterday, so I never would have been here. Right? It wouldn't have been your waste of time, bro.
We're wasting time right now.
There's
We've been
two
here. We've been here for way,
blacks.
we've been here for way
There's
too
two
long.
No, wait. Listen to this.
This should have been way
There's
simpler
two
if you just stopped
blacks
walking
not
away.
giving a about your 2 dumb white asses killing 2 family
Listen to me.
of whites,
You're wasting
bro,
your breath.
in
You're
Arlington
wasting your
Heights,
breath.
bro.
Everything you say to me,
You
it's
know
it's
what?
going one ear out the other.
You're
You're wasting your breath. You're wasting your breath.
You're 2
I'm
9
telling you.
millimeter. You know, I found 2
You're wasting your breath,
9
brother.
millimeter Lugers.
Nothing you say is offending
in the-
us. Nothing
in
you
the
say is
side
offending
of
us.
West Chicago.
It's time to go.
That could have saved
time to go.
crime. Are you saving crime right now?
We are trying
You
to.
Dumb. Must have been my nice motherfucking. Oh.
Right there.
You see these pubes, bro? You want to get arrested for these pubes?
I've seen it
bro?
all, man.
You've seen it all.
I've seen it all. Trust me.
What happened to my?
Do not approach me one more time. I swear to God.
Really?
Do not.
Do you want me to
Start walking that
eat
way.
a coffee cake and right in front of your
Start
fucking
fucking
dumb
walking.
face?
We're not wasting more time. Let's go.
Are you
Let's go.
fighting crime right now in front of my coffee?
Oh, maybe if you follow me, it'll work. Come on.
Okay, I will. You know
Let's
what
go.
I would do with your
Walk.
useless 9 millimeter
Walk.
pistol, bro?
Walk.
I would have saved crime.
Okay. Well, then apply
I'm
for
being
then
more,
then
bro.
apply. Apply for the police department. Let's go. Get out of my face. Go. Go.
You want to touch my cock like
Go.
that?
Stop
No.
approaching me. Stop approaching me. Stop approaching me.
Really?
Do not approach me again.
Really? If I slapped your dumb useless
I would love to see that.
broke sunglasses,
I would love to see
wouldn't
that.
take you to Waimanalo?
Go ahead.
Do you know that place would have told
Let's
you
start
to
walking, come on.
Hawaii instead of Hawaii, bro?
I told you not to approach me again.
Really? You want this free coffee cake like you didn't want
Go.
to approach me? Go.
Go.
Look, it's a free coffee cake.
Go.
You could have stopped
Stop
crime with a
approaching
free
me.
Coffee cake. Okay.
Let's go.
Here you go, you broke ass can put that
Let's go.
coffee cake. Maybe like you, bro. I wasn't even thinking of you the whole time. Bro.
Stop.
You want to touch my cock like that?
Stop.
Too?
Stop.
Just did, bro.
Stop.
How do you
Stop.
know my chest pubes was like
Stop.
my cock, bro? To
Stop.
my face.
Stop.
Stop.
Yeah, we're asking you we're showing
Stop
incredible
listening to-
restraint right now because of your conduct and how you're acting.
Like that?
Yeah. All we're asking
Or
is
I
that you
stop
leave.
crying, bro. Because I know a cop that lives in the north side of Chicago that I smoke pot with, bro.
That's very nice.
Illegal pot, bro.
Let's go.
That's doing more than your
Let's go. Do not touch my uniform. Do not touch my equipment.
I didn't, bro.
Let's go.
Here, I didn't
Your
touch your
conduct
dumbass
is- stop.
offset tactical dumbass, bro.
Stop.
You know how easily I would have attacked you?
Yeah, I'm sure you would have been great.
I would have killed you with a tungsten bullet, bro.
Stop.
Easily. Would you know a tungsten bullet would have gone
Stop.
through your f***ing head?
Stop. Are
Really?
you trying to get arrested? Is that what
Really?
you want?
With the what? You want to eat this while I'm trying to get arrested, bro? Just take it, bro. It's not illegal. I didn't steal this. I bought this, bro.
Let's
Like
go.
the fact I bought the fact I f***ing used to live here, bro. Oh, I missed you. Dumbass cop.
Let's go.
Suck my f***ing small c-
Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Are you trying to get arrested?
Stop. For what?
Let's go.
For littering?
Well, if you throw something at the police, that's a battery.
Well, I didn't, bro. Is that a battery right now on the spot, bro? Do you want to see my c- in the back?
You're incredibly inappropriate.
I don't care, bro. Are you stopping crime that gives a
Hey, man, do you
fuck
need
about my
a,
nuts, bro?
do you need an ambulance?
No.
Seems like you have some crazy issues right now.
Oh,
do
you
need an
do
ambulance?
too. A soldier.
You want an ambulance right
Yeah,
now?
you need
we can call. We can call it. We can call an
an
ambulance.
Fat
You want to go to the hospital?
no.
Okay.
Not by you,
Who's the
bro.
president?
On
Listen.
kill.
Oh, not.
Okay.
Really?
Get on your.
Touch me first, you dumb.
Really?
Give me your f***ing hand.
Do it now.
Really?
Give me your. Give me your hand.
Roll them over. Just roll them over.
Really?
Roll over.
You want to touch my mid-shetty when it touches your f***ing neck?
Stop resisting. Stop
Resisting.
resisting.
I'm resisting, guys.
Yeah, you are resisting. Do you want to get tased?
Yeah,
Is that what
tase
you
my
want?
Level
cock,
6. So you get
bro.
one more unit.
Might jizz in your face and make you f***ing gay. I might kick you down the
Stand 'em
street.
up.
Who
Stand 'em
knows,
up.
bro?
We're on the south side of the library.
South side of the library, bro.
Stand up.
Really?
Stand up.
Here, take my shoe when you stand up, you f***ing cock slave. Your wife's getting
Stop. Stop. Stop.
phone I lost when your wife's getting you cock slave. You Democratic cock slave. Hope you get by BG. You know what that means? BG.
Get on the ground, asshole.
I'm not even trying, bro. You must have been my cock slave, bro. Want to see my hunting machete?
Don't kick.
Do not kick me.
I'm not kicking you, bro. I'm trying to get comfortable, bro. And the cock
Give me your
slave.
f***ing hand.
Really? Vaginas want to arrest me, bro. You got a vagina, bro? You want a cock slide in my jopa? You f***ing faggot? You know what pizdet means in Russian? You want to know what pizdet means in Russian? You f***ing
Stay the
faggot?
f*** down.
It means faggot in Russian.
Whoever else is responding to the library can pick up this number and they got one card.
No, I could have smoked you with a machete.
You could have just walked away, pal.
Really?
That's all you could have done.
Right there on the
That's
spot.
it.
Were you helping someone? 50 blacks, you dumb in that library. And you didn't even know. You know your wife's getting...
Do you have any weapons on you?
Yeah, your wife's getting... That's your weapon, bro. Remember that? Your wife's getting... She's squirting right now on the spot.
Now we're gonna double lock these cuffs.
You fucking queer. You want to see how long my is?
He does have
You want to unsheath him out of her?
All right.
That's how long you feel my cock is, bro. Faggot. Hey, you, I'm looking at you, faggot. Pretty sure no one around here besides this cop is.
Hey, don't fucking spit.
Really?
Spit now. Hold your head on the
I didn't spit on you, you dumb. I must have missed you, you dumb. Shut up. How do you know you wanted my head on the grass?
Okay. Yeah, we'll get it.
Yeah?
Alright, we're gonna stand you up, okay?
Oh my god, I got 50 blacks today. Remember that, you dumb. I hope a Democrat smokes their ass.
Stop.
A Democrat that voted Illinois.
Stop.
I hope 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Democrats get shot into heaven by Democrats.
Who's 93?
Really? Really? Must have been your wife getting now. You want to see my phone and your wife getting
Take a look, pocket real quick.
You know I could have spit in your face right there. Faggot wife. I lied to you. Your wife's getting you dumb fuck. Really? Can you? Did you see that, bro? Did you make that rule on the spot, you wife faggot?
Stop. Get up.
What? I 50 black.